That's more like it. Okay, to keep the roar going, let's call the kings of Highland, the directors of Highland. They will start this amazing afternoon and set the pace. Can I request somebody who is a youthful innovator and a pioneer of new age real estate in Punjab? Please welcome with a roar, Mr. Vishal Goyal. And joining him is a visionary in real estate development whose commitment to the community extends beyond real estate in every aspect of the project. The director of Highland, Harjinder Singh Rangi. आप दोनों से सबसे ज़्यादा रोर तेज आने चाहिए. Give me a roar. Alright, Rangi ji, तुम्हारी रोर और ऊंची होनी चाहिए. Give me a roar. Okay, now let's get down to some serious business. हम यहाँ सीरियस बातें भी करने आए हैं थोड़ी थोड़ी. All yours, gentlemen.
सब तो पहला मैं सारे मेरे डायरेक्टर्स, सैलीब्रिटीज़, टीम और मेरे सारे भरा चैनल पार्टनर्स साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ मैं ਵੈਲਕਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਆਖਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਜੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੀ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਈਲੈਂਡ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਪਹਿਚਾਨ ਡਿਲੀਵਰੀ ਲਈ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਲਈ ਔਰ ਟਾਈਮਲੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਘਰ ਦੇਣ 'ਚ ਪਹਿਚਾਨ ਜਿਰਗਪੁਰ ਤੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਹੁਣ ਮੋਹਾਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ 16 ਤਰੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਭੂਮੀ ਪੂਜਾ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਊਂਗਾ ਸਿਰਫ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਪਾਰਟਨਰਸ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਭਰਾ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਫੀਲਡ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਰਾਜਾ ਗਿਣਦਾ ਕਿੰਗ ਗਿਣਦਾ ਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਜੋ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਵੀ ਦ ਲੀਗ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਕਿੰਗਸ ਹੈ ਕਹਿਣ ਦਾ ਭਾਵ ਸਾਡੀ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੰਗ ਗਿਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਕਲਾਇੰਟ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਿੰਗ ਗਿਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੈੱਲ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਭਰਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਸ਼ੇਅਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਜੋ ਕੋਲੈਬੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਅਸੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਲੀਗ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਕਿੰਗਸ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਅੱਜ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਹਾਈਲੈਂਡ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਲਈ ਪਹਿਚਾਣਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਦਿਵਾਉਂਦਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਪਾਰਟਨਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਅੱਜ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਬਿਗਨਿੰਗ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੋਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਕਮਿਟਮੈਂਟ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਲਾਇੰਟ ਨਾਲ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਉਸ 'ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਖਰੇ ਉਤਰਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਇਹ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਸ਼ਨਸ ਕੋਈ 1-2 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਿੰਗਸ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇਹ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਸ਼ਨਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਜੋ ਕਮਿਟਮੈਂਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਰਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਪਾਰਟਨਰਸ ਹੈ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰਸ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਸਟਾਫ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਹਾਈਲੈਂਡ ਮੇਫੀਲਡਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਾਊਨ ਜਵੈਲ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਸਿਟੀ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਦੀ ਪਹਿਚਾਨ ਪੂਰੇ ਸਿਟੀ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਕਿਆ ਪੂਰੇ ਨਾਰਥ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਣੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਨਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ ਉਚੇਚੇ ਭਰਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੜਈ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਜਗਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਮਾਝਾ ਜੀ ਵੀ ਆਏ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਔਰ ਸਾਰੀ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰਿਟੀਜ਼ ਇਨਫਲੂਐਂਸਰਸ ਸਟਾਫ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਯੰਗ ਬਲੱਡ ਯੰਗ એનર્ਜੀ ਵਿਸ਼ਾਲ ਗੋਇਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ 2 ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹਾਈਲੈਂਡ ਮੇਫੀਲਡਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣੂ ਕਰਾਓ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਫॉर ਕਮਿੰਗ
Thank you, Rangi ji. Thank you for the kind words. Today, it gives me immense pleasure that we'll be able to showcase our flagship project, Highland Mayfields, and our partnership with Punjab Kings. पिछले 2 साल से we have been working tirelessly to bring you a product which resonates with the highest international standards, put together by a team of globally recognized consultants from India and abroad. Highland Mayfields will be the crown jewel of the city beautiful. Here we'll be developing 3.5 million square feet area in the next 3 years. हमारी 3 साल की एसोसिएशन पंजाब किंग्स के साथ is a testimony for our commitment and positioning in the market. To my family and friends, my team at Highland and my family of channel partners, today is a historic day in Highland's journey. Today, we stand committed to deliver the highest quality product to this city beautiful. Now I would like to invite on stage the actor, writer, singer, anchor. He's been part of record-breaking movies like Stree and Dangal. a leader, mentor, and brother to me, and inspiration to all. The super talented, multifaceted, versatile, Apar Shakti Khurana.
ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰਾ دیਵਾਨਾ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿਣਾ
Oh God, this is fantastic and what a homecoming. Vishal, Rangi ji, Pavleen, first of all a big hug to you all. And Sat Shri Akal ji, ji ji, welcome on our behalf. Welcome you all. I think this is really a homecoming for me. And it is amazing to see that top players of Kings 11 Punjab are going to be here in some time. And the top players of real estate are already in the room. So it's beautiful to see that. Hanji, Vishal ji, Rangi ji, sab theek thak? कमाल है विशाल ताड़ी बहुत तारीफ करता है but यार on that note I must say this I've known Vishal and his family for almost 30 years now that reveals my age as well shit but I've seen him you know and the entire family grow like touchwood the hard work the passion you all have come with I was expecting nothing less than this एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the collaboration between Kings 11 Punjab and Highland Group and next up, we have another very, very important and a very, very special friend who is going to join us. Kings 11 पंजाब की बात है और पंजाब की बात है तो मुझे लगा कि कुछ ऐसे यार दोस्त इकट्ठे होने चाहिए जो ऐसा पता लगे कि पूरी टीम बन के आई है एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं फॉर फुकरा मंजोत
रात को जाएंगे इंडिया गेट फुकरे माला दूध लौटी लेके चक्कर टांग के तू चुकरे फुकरे फुकरे फुकरे
As I said that यहाँ पे भी टॉप प्लेयर्स आने वाले लेकिन रियल एस्टेट के टॉप प्लेयर्स ऑलरेडी यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं है ना व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट अपनी उपस्थिति के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे मंजोत
मैं बस आपके साथ खड़ा हूँ वही मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है आपने प्यार से यहाँ पे मुझे बुलाया है आई एम ग्रेटफुल थैंक यू टू हाईलैंड एंड पंजाब किंग्स बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे आके बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड क्या होने वाला है आगे बहुत कुछ गाप आने वाले हैं
But before that, we would like Manjot and Apar Shakti to please felicitate our channel partners.
Of course.
I would request our channel partners, I would be taking their names if they can request them to come on stage. We would like to felicitate your presence. Thank you so much for joining us on this very eventful day. Can I request a representative from Gur Shabad Properties to kindly come up on stage and can we accompany that with a big round of applause, please?
धालीवाल साहब साढ़े ओपनिंग बैट्समैन ने प्लीज मीट धालीवाल साहब
Can I now request representatives of Investors Ground to kindly come up on stage, please? Moving on, Apar, I would request you to please do the honors to invite our next beautiful artist on stage,
Of
please.
course यार देखो the way Pavleen, Manjot, my friends we all have come together to support another friend Vishal and Rangi ji. Please welcome Simrat Kaur Randhawa from Gadar 2, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's call the next channel partners. We would like to felicitate their presence and honor it. Can I request representatives of Realty Nation on stage, please? Thank you so much, Realty Nation, for joining us and for your continued support. Can I request now representatives of Astha Estate?
बहुत मुबारक हो जी आपको
Next up, of course, we are talking about the kings. So now it's time to not get the kings, hold your horses, but get somebody who's behind the kings, the person responsible. Can I request the CEO of Punjab Kings, Mr. Satish Menon, to kindly join us on stage? Let's hear it for Mr. Satish Menon, the CEO of Punjab Kings, and Mr. Saurabh Arora, the CCO of Punjab Kings. Ladies and gentlemen, a massive round of applause, please.
I want to know from Mr. Menon, I'm saying you're clearly not a Punjabi otherwise. Being a Menon, have you got accustomed to the dhol and the butter chickens and dal makhnis of the world? Or are you still becoming a half Punjabi?
No, I've been around for more than 9 years here. Forget about the last 9 years, but I've always worked from Punjab.
Can I make you learn a line in Punjabi?
Okay.
Okay, you have to say Tri-City ch. Say Tri-City which?
Tri-City which?
हाईलैंड ने
हाईलैंड ने
टॉप
टॉप ऑफ टॉप
काम करके रखा
काम कर रखा
That came out very smoothly. He knew what he was saying.
ऑलमोस्ट क्वालिफाइड टू बी अ पंजाबी वेरी गुड परफेक्ट है
Fantastic. Okay. Welcome, Mr. Menon, and welcome, Mr. Saurabh. Can I request our channel partners, and I would like you to felicitate them as well. Can I request Mr. Representatives from Garvit Real Estates to kindly come up on stage, please? Can I request the representatives from Divine Imar Group to kindly join us on stage, please? Up next, I would like to invite our two more very special people who are with us here today from the Orchids Hotel. Can I request Mr. Vittal Kamath and Mr. Vishal Kamath from the Dr. Vittal Venkatesh Kamath renowned hotelier. Can I request you to kindly come up on stage, please? Mr. Vishal is the Executive Director of Kamath and Chairman of CII as a global hospitality leader. He's the co-owner of the brand Orchid Hotels. And Dr. Vittal is an Indian hotelier who is Executive Chairman BMD of Kamath Hotels and brand owner of Orchid Hotels. Thank you, Mr. Vittal and Mr. Vishal, for joining us. And now, can I request, of course, after this lovely photo op. Thank you so much, gentlemen. I would request, we were waiting for his presence and now he's here. Can I please have a big round of applause for the incredible actor, Jagjit Sidhu? आप लंच तो नहीं कर रहे थे कर लिया ना लंच I knew it, we knew it. How was the lunch, by the way? Good?
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੰਚ ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਸੱਦਿਆ ਸੀ
Okay, so let's call our partners, representatives from Quartus Real Estate. Can we have a big round of applause for Quartus Real Estate, please? Can I request representatives from Smart Money? What a great name. Can I request someone from Smart Money to kindly come up on stage, please? On that note, I would like to request Mr. Menon, Mr. Arora, Mr. Vittal, Mr. Vishal, thank you so much for doing the honors. Thank you so much. Mr. Menon, I wanted to ask you something very opposite from what Apar. I wanted to know what Punjabi have you learned? Some your favorite Punjabi words. So many. Okay, your favorite phrase, Punjabi, that you started using since you.
Chante Fate is a famous line. In fact, last season I had coined that. Now, of course, we've introduced a new line, Bas Jeetna Hai. I pick up most of the Punjabi words. I don't belong anywhere because I've never lived in Kerala, so I don't know anything. Only little I know of Kerala is the fact that when Kerala had floods, it was the Punjabis who came there, and Keralites love Punjabis because they came and served food, and they came and served. And a lot of them have stayed back because my sister who used to live in the US was back, and she was saying if it hadn't been for the Gurdwaras, they would have been in deep trouble. So I haven't lived in Kerala, but I love Punjab.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, gentlemen. The Kings, the Lions of Punjab, our Sher squad, and we have got a roar when they come on stage. Zordar dahad honi chahiye because we are in the Punjab. So these are the Kings of Punjab. Please welcome them with a massive roar. Harpreet Brar, Prabsimran Singh, Shashank Singh, Glenn Maxwell, and Marcus Torres.
About the fact that how are you doing in the show so far?
Absolutely, what a great start. I think if you were going to give us 2 wins at the start of the IPL tournament, I think we'd take it and we'd run home back to Chandigarh and we're going to win a couple more.
Fantastic.
Also, we're doing something really special today, boys. We're not just applauding your presence, we are roaring for your presence because you are the Lions of Punjab. So everybody, are you ready to roar for the Punjab Kings? That's more like it. Arey, practice session mein aap log nikal pade hain. I like it. Okay, on the count of 3, let's give them a loud, massive roar. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys, thank you so much for joining us and doing an incredible job in the last 2 matches. It was absolutely fantastic to watch and we hope that this energy, this magic continues. On that note, we are celebrating this union between Highland and Punjab Kings, and Glenn, I would like you to do the honors of taking this remote and showing us a peek.
Glenn, what we are doing is we are showcasing the project and we would like you to click that button so that we can showcase that project.
And just say play. With the moment you say play, you have to play.
These are the kings of the real estate, Highland, and we are collaborating with the kings on the field, that is the Punjab Kings. I think that was absolutely fantastic. Vishalji, I'll talk to you later about owning one myself. So boys, I would like to know your thoughts especially. That is a beautiful...
I saw the gym, it's a huge gym. Usually I live in Mumbai, so I couldn't find these big gyms and a very good space, like with all the amenities. Pool was there, restaurant was there, and a quite big space. So obviously, a well-built project for sure.
Maxi, according to you, what is the definition of a complete home? What do you look for in a complete home?
Probably family there is probably a complete home. It doesn't really matter where you've got around you, as long as you've got family there. But having a nice big pool like that would probably help as well.
That was actually very similar to Glenn Maxwell's house.
No.
If someone throws a bouncer at you, you have to say like,
Aram Singh.
but yeah, just repeat after me. अगर तू मैनू बाउंसर मारी,
ज़्यादा हो गया ये.
अगर नहीं स्लो अगर तू मैनू बाउंसर मारी मैं तेरी नासा पांदांगा.
The translation is, if you bowl a bouncer at me while I'm batting, I'm gonna smack your nose. Yeah.
Thank you for your patience and thank you for getting that energy on the stage and beyond.